We were walking inside and his e-brake did not work. And Nathan had to go Hulk mode and he stopped it right here.
Sure, you can just keep it here.
Holy shit, that would have straight up took that mailbox. We turned around and it was literally just gliding down the driveway.
Alright, sure, I'm gonna show.
We decided to pull the Cali out of storage, give it a bath, and then put 2 taillights in. And this kid just wants to be in every video. Nathan has 2 new taillights he wants to put in, so put those in. We'll get Caliber the first wash of the year. You going to school?
Huh?
Just a few minutes ago we were sitting here, I'll play the clip, but there was a little guy right there.
A little guy, I don't want to touch it, but he's in there. He's just sleeping.
Man.
Hello?
Yeah, this is a...
I knew there was mice in here, but I didn't think I'd see one. That is dirty.
Got one taillight out. Rip that side off.
Be careful though.
So we're replacing this one. Oh, I think it just pulls out actually.
Brand new whip guy.
There you go. There's one. Not bad. Just had to remove these. They pop right off.
I was just gonna clean these. They are dirty. Boom.
Pull it away. That's his reverse light. That's burnt. But these ones are kind of old, so we bought new tail lights anyway. So we're gonna have to go run up and buy new reverse lights too. He likes to clean everything.
I have a problem.
It's alright though, it's a good problem.
It's dirty, dude.
Cleaned up the tail lights. Cleaned up the insides. Now we're gonna go run up and get some reverse lights. Evan's finally got the neon out. Both SRT4s are coming out. This is Ev's neon. It's just super clean in here. He picked up some ACR seats for really cheap, so he's gonna be doing a harness bar soon with these. But this is just a very clean neon.
Bro, this house is
Light up and it pops on and now it's on. And it pops in these little tabs up here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Good?
So that's
So we just put these in?
setup. There we go. Is this one in?
And then now go hit the brakes and then reverse. Yep, you're good.
Yeah, reverse works. The
Yep.
brakes work.
Door just opened up by kind of close to us. So Nathan went and picked up a foam gun. So he's gonna test it on the Cali. All right, Casa, you get yours, I'll get mine. Casa just left, but Joey pulled up.
It's alright.
Hasn't seen his car in a while, but
got
since
some-
the seats,
Got some mods in there now.
did the steering wheel, got the new harnesses in.
Hang on, we gotta show them this harness bar here. Custom made by Z-Race Performance.
Looking nice.
Mm-hmm.
So he's got the NRG quick release.
We got the rice on the wheel too. It's all fake carbon.
Looks dope though.
Horn works too, so that's nice.
I can't think of the name of this.
Is this how the shift knob comes off?